It's getting to the point where we need to think pruning. And I've got a few tools that I've had for a while, and I thought it'd be interesting to compare them. And as you can see, they're not sparkly brand new pieces of equipment. I've had them a while, they've been used, and we'll see how they're standing up. So first one I have is this reciprocating saw. Next one I have is a mini chainsaw. And the final one is a power secateurs. The reciprocating saw is nice for control cuts, so I'll pop that down. And let's see, which one are we going to take off? We need to take this one off because we're not really, this tree has fruited far too heavily. You can see it's already starting to flower, so it's a bit late to be cutting it, but we're going to do it anyway. So with this, we can make a small, just make a small cut underneath. It's closing up. And this is where we have a bit of a problem. Okay, so we're just going to leave that down there. Now if you come in from this side, you can see we've got a relatively clean cut. So this is not bad for getting a relatively clean cut, but it is a lot of work and it's slow. This one is quite interesting. So what we're going to do is we're going to do a little cut underneath as before. Is that the one I want to take off? No, that's the one I want to take off. Yep. Little cut underneath. Now, as you can see, it's hard to control. There we go. So, much rougher cut, but boy is it faster. So if you want something fast, this is the way to go. But it's not as neat and tidy or as easily controlled. Mind you, this did come with a couple of spare blades and some gloves and other bits and pieces. So it was really good value. I like this more than I like the other one, but the other one has its purposes. This is our third one, and as you can see, it's been used a lot. And this is particularly good for, not these branches, because yeah, a couple of tries and it'll get through that and we might even try it. But where we've got little ones, look at that, dead easy. And you can just keep cutting, nice and easy, easy on the wrists. Now, when we get to thicker things, that is really too thick, we'll go about here. And this is about the limit of it. So it'll not go through all the way, but the second cut, there we go. So we can cut through something like that fairly easily, just takes a couple of shots. So what would be your favourite? You want the butcherous chainsaw, the fine but slow reciprocating saw, or this? Or would you use all three? Let me know in the comments. Anyway, I'll get back to pruning. You guys enjoy life, like, subscribe, hit that bell icon, and I'll catch you in the garden without pulling my passion fruit down.